I'm Dan Ramey, Litter Media. This is the second year for this event through the Pickaway-Ross CTC and Huntington FFA. It gives 8th graders at Huntington an opportunity to see the importance of agriculture and the many other areas that agriculture is including. Details are coming up right after this.
At Rathkamp Financial, we offer customized investment solutions and superior client service. We believe in long-term relationships and working to earn your continued trust. Our greatest satisfaction comes from working with clients for many years and helping them realize their dreams.
We have 13 different presenters from all of Ross County. Some are from Pickaway and some from Highland County. And they came in and they were talking about their career in the ag industry and how they got their career started and what they do in their everyday job.
This started as a project for you last year, right?
Yes, it did. We are working to make it bigger each year. We have got more presenters this year. We have more selection of what we had compared to last year, and what else we would like to keep expanding on it and maybe get more schools involved into this.
What do you want to see these 8th grade kids coming through here and learn about today?
A lot of people think ag's just cows, plows, and everything like that, but it's more than that. Ag has a lot more to do with the world than people think. And these 8th grade students, I think, have learned today and will continue to learn is that FFA is just not the farming. We got all kinds of different things for the FFA students to experience and look at, like surveying or logging. FFA and ag is a more broad spectrum of stuff than what people think, because ag people still build all the grain bins, all the stuff that is doing it. And even if FFA and ag don't suit you, you don't think, oh, I can't do it because I don't have a 500-acre farm. That's not true. You can have a 1-acre house in the middle of the city and have a greenhouse, or do something like that and go down to the local farmers market and still be part of the ag industry without having this big old farm that people assume with FFA.
This has got to be huge to be able to have something like this in your district, and a learning opportunity for the junior high kids.
It is an outstanding opportunity for our kids to get out here, see some of the vendors that are here, the presenters, learn a little bit about vocational agriculture and education. That we're seeing a lot of leadership come out as a result of this. Blake Hauswirth putting great effort into this, so kids are getting to see his leadership, and they're going to learn from that as well. So the presenters are doing a great job presenting their products and their things that they do on a daily basis, and so it is definitely a wonderful opportunity for our kids.
Now, you've had 1 year of this under your belt. Now you're in the middle of doing it again. What have you personally learned?
Each kid is going to adapt and grow to something that they like the most about these presentations. So we've tried to diversify ourselves and to get more things for the kids to enjoy and look at when they're presenting. Even though they might not like the one thing, they're going to have something else at the event that they would love to see.
What are your plans after high school?
I'm actually thinking about attending either Ohio State or Moorhead for ag systems management is what I would like to do.
Where can people learn more?
Each year they have a farm science review up in London, Ohio. You can learn more about that, and there's a bunch of websites like the National FFA website. If you just go into National FFA, and it explains more what the organization is about and the concepts of what these kids are learning in their everyday life.